I'm showing you how I make the curls for the mane and the tail. This is actually for the tail, but they're both exactly the same method. It's just how many you make and how many chains you chain. So you start with the slip knot, and then I'm just going to chain, I think it's to 15 here. If they're shorter, you'll have shorter curls. If you chain longer, you'll have longer curls. It just is the length you're going for. And so once I get to the end of how many I want to chain, I'm going to slip stitch in each chain on the way back. If your tension is loose, you won't get a curl. So you'll want to try to pull a little tighter than you normally would, or you can size down a crochet hook. My tension is naturally a little tighter than it should be, so I always get the curls, but that's something that you can focus on if it's not coming out the way you want. See how that curls? And now I'm just going to chain 15 again, so it'll be the same length. This way it's on the same string, same line, and you can sew from the top. Then you don't have to sew each individual curl on, you just have a whole piece. So again, if you can't get a curl, try to pull tight as you slip stitch back. You can also size down to a different hook. This is Premier Parfait Chunky, and I'm using a size 4mm hook. Once you know how, you can kind of adjust how many and how long that you want to make, although they're all written in the pattern, but this is just to show you how I make them.